One of the most overlooked parts of healthy aging is our vision. As we get older, the cells in our eyes are constantly exposed to oxidative stress, inflammation, and tiny injuries in the blood vessels that keep the retina healthy. That's why so many seniors experience blurry vision, dryness, or even age-related macular degeneration. But here's the fascinating part. Science now shows that what you eat before bed can actually support your eye's repair process at night. When you sleep, your body naturally enters a state of healing. Blood flow to the eyes improves, melatonin acts as a strong antioxidant, and your cells begin repairing the damage built up during the day. This makes nighttime the perfect window to supply your eyes with the nutrients they need most. Fruits rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and powerful carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin provide those raw materials for repair. Without them, the eyes don't have what they need to maintain themselves. And over time, this lack of nutrients can lead to worsening eyesight, cataracts, or macular degeneration. Think of it like maintaining a car. You wouldn't try to change the oil while driving down the highway. Best maintenance happens when the car is parked, and in the same way, your body repairs your eyes best while you're asleep. There's also an emerging field of research on a process called autophagy, the body's way of clearing out damaged cells and recycling their components. This process becomes more active during sleep and fasting, helping the retina remove dysfunctional proteins and waste products. If autophagy doesn't happen properly, debris can build up in the eye, which scientists link to age-related eye diseases. Interestingly, your eyes even follow their own circadian rhythm. The retina adjusts its sensitivity to light and releases certain growth factors depending on the time of day. Poor sleep or irregular schedules can disrupt this rhythm, speeding up aging in the eyes. That's why getting proper rest, combined with the right nutrients, is critical for long-term vision health. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements. Nature has already provided these nutrients in everyday fruits like kiwi, blueberries, papaya, and grapes. These can be eaten any time of day, but when consumed before bed, they give your body the perfect fuel to supercharge the eye's nighttime repair process. In this video, I'll reveal the specific fruits seniors should add to their diet, and how just one simple change could make a real difference for your vision as you age. Number 1. Kiwi. Kiwi is one of the most powerful yet underrated fruits for eye health, especially in seniors. It's loaded with vitamin C. In fact, a single kiwi can provide more vitamin C than an orange. This antioxidant plays a crucial role in protecting the delicate blood vessels in the eyes and reducing the oxidative stress that accelerates aging in retinal cells. Kiwi is also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They filter harmful blue light, protect against damage from UV rays, and are directly linked to a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, which is one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Regularly eating kiwi not only supports sharper vision but also helps prevent the gradual decline in eyesight that many seniors face. Adding this simple fruit to your evening routine can give your body the nutrients it needs to protect and repair your eyes while you sleep. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are often called a superfood for the brain and heart, but they are just as powerful for your eyes. These small berries are packed with anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that improve blood circulation in the tiny vessels of the retina and help protect photoreceptor cells from damage. Research has shown that anthocyanins can actually enhance night vision and reduce eye fatigue, two common problems seniors face as they age. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C and vitamin K, which further strengthen the eye's defense against oxidative stress and inflammation. Because the retina is one of the most energy-demanding tissues in the body, it's constantly exposed to free radicals. The antioxidants in blueberries help neutralize this damage, lowering the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Eating a small bowl of blueberries in the evening, whether fresh or in a smoothie, can provide a natural boost to your eye's ability to repair and stay sharp overnight. Number 3. Papaya. Papaya is often called the sunshine fruit, and for good reason. It's bright, sweet, and full of eye-healing nutrients that seniors often miss in their diet. What makes papaya special is its high content of vitamin A, which the body uses to maintain clear vision and prevent night blindness. That means if you've noticed your eyes struggling to adjust in the dark, papaya could be a natural solution. But that's not all. Papaya is also loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful compounds that act like natural filters, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and slowing down age-related damage to the retina. On top of that, The rich dose of vitamin C in papaya strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, keeping them flexible and reducing the risk of cataracts. Adding a few slices of fresh papaya to your evening routine not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also gives your eyes the exact nutrients they need to repair themselves while you sleep. It's like giving your vision a refreshing reset every night. Number 4. Grapes. Grapes are more than just a sweet snack, they're a natural defense system for your eyes against aging. What makes grapes unique is their high content of resveratrol, a compound found mostly in the skin. Resveratrol has been studied for its ability to protect the retina from diabetic eye damage, which is especially important for seniors who may struggle with fluctuating blood sugar. Grapes also contain a special group of antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the lens of the eye, slowing down the development of cataracts. Unlike other fruits, grapes also hydrate the body with their high water content, which can ease dry eyes, another common problem in older adults. Eating a small bowl of fresh grapes before bed doesn't just satisfy late-night cravings. It gives your eyes hydration, protection from cataracts, and defense against diabetes-related vision problems, all in one simple fruit. Number 5. Mango. Mango is often called the king of fruits, and when it comes to eye health, it truly lives up to the name. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for maintaining sharp vision. One of the unique benefits of mango is its ability to combat dry eyes, a problem many seniors struggle with due to aging tear glands and long-term screen or light exposure. Vitamin A from mango helps keep the surface of the eye moist and clear, preventing irritation and blurred vision. What makes mango stand out is that it doesn't just support long-term eye health, it also provides immediate relief for seniors who feel their eyes are dry, itchy, or tired. Enjoying a few slices of mango before bed is not only delicious but also a natural way to keep your eyes nourished and refreshed overnight. Number 6. Goji berries. Goji berries are sometimes called the red diamonds of Asia, and for good reason. For generations, they've been prized not just as food but as a natural tonic for the eyes. What makes them stand out is how they support nighttime clarity of vision, something seniors often struggle with. People who add goji berries to their diet often notice that their eyes feel less strained and more comfortable in the evenings, especially after a day of reading or using screens. Another unique benefit of goji berries is that they help keep the eyes feeling fresh and hydrated, making them especially helpful for seniors who often wake up with dry or tired eyes. Whether eaten as a handful of dried berries before bed or steeped in warm water as a calming tea, goji berries give your eyes gentle, natural nourishment while you rest. Think of them as a traditional secret with modern-day benefits, helping you see the night more clearly and wake up with eyes that feel renewed. So there you have it, simple, everyday fruits that can make a real difference for your eyes as you age. From kiwi and blueberries that fight stress and boost night vision, to papaya and mango that protect against night blindness and dry eyes, to grapes that defend against cataracts and goji berries that keep your eyes fresh and comfortable. The important thing to remember is this: your body does its best repair work while you sleep. By giving your eyes these nutrients before bed, you're giving them the fuel they need to recover from the strain of the day and stay sharp for years to come. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines, just a handful of fruit can support your vision naturally. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips that can change your daily life. And tell us in the comments, which of these fruits will you be adding to your nighttime routine?